Welcome back, another part, another episode. Damn, it's cold today. The day I'm filming this, there's a lot of snow about. Yeah, very cold. Yeah. So I'm going to just repair this hole. Got another one to do the other side. I've got to try and finish these bits off before we put the front end finally. Been ignoring it, so, and also start on this thing, but we'll just concentrate on this hole for today. What I found out is that I know these rust all the time. They're behind the old shock absorber mount, wherever the shock absorber is. I don't know what I've done with them. Anyway, put them in this little box. Where are you? No, not in that box. Anyway, yep, shock absorber mounts on there. Obviously, flat to flat. Just shit gets behind it, water gets behind it, they rust out. Looks like this has been rusted out ages ago and someone's cleaned it up and then just stuck a bit of aluminium plate behind it. On the later cars I found out as well, that's why I was just asking a few questions recently, is that later cars are this is double skinned anyway, but the rear skin doesn't have a hole in it. The Mark 1s have a hole in it. So this back skin does have a hole in it. This outer skin, actually the sort of the inner wing, doesn't. So what we're going to do is we'll tidy this up, we'll square this rust hole off so we can make a plate for it a bit nicer, but we're not going to do the inner skin because technically it was always had a hole there, and there's a second hole up here on the double skin, so the sort of double skin goes on the other side. It's very hard to see anyway. So we're just going to leave it there because it's meant to be round, so hopefully once we cut this out square we'll be able to see a much nicer hole. So yeah, all we do is get the angle grinder and square that off a bit. We're pretty lucky it hasn't just gone past the holes, so we're all good. So let's get the angle grinder. Sorry if it's a bit dark. Well, hopefully as you can see the round hole that was there. That's in the inner skin. So we're going to leave that hole. We don't need to fill it up. We could do, but you know, it's Mark 1. You know, it's less chance of rot. That's for sure. Having another 2 layers there. I don't know how much strength it adds. Is another question. But if the Mark 1 didn't have it, it'd be alright. Yeah. So basically, let's cut a plate, weld it in. Alright, you might recognise that I used a bit of foreskin. So yeah, clean that up, pop that in there, pigeon shit weld it, and we're all good. Yeah, way. Ow, can't hold for this. Much nicer when it was on the spit bit higher. Alright, hole filled. I don't think the welding is going to get me many likes. Hopefully a couple of dislikes there for the welders out there. But anyway, I know it's solid. And yeah, all look good. Yeah, that'll do, innit? Solid hole. Running out of time now. But can we do one more thing? What's the time? What's the time, Mr. Wolf? Let's look. Time to go put the chicken in. Gotta go put the chicken in. Okay, sorry about the video being a bit dark. It's a slightly different time of day now, so what I might just do finishing up this video is my template that I cut out of cornflake packet, just to start that process off down there to join that panel up, and obviously I'll make another section to go on the bottom later. But for now, let's get this cut out a bit of foreskin, and either just at least get it tacked on, but we'll try and get some welds on it and see how we do. That'll do, donkey, as someone famous once said. That'll be alright, that'll be alright. So we just got to make up the bottom section now, and a lip, and finish a little bit of the top section, but we'll do that next time. And then we'll attempt to try and get the front end on again for the last time. A bit more squeezing, a bit more pushing, a bit more jiggery. Managed to find somebody with my friend's friend's father-in-law, future father-in-law maybe, has got a Mark 1 quite close by, so I've asked him if he could whip one of the, it's ready for restoration, whip one of the Mark 1 bonnet hinges off, so I can either make some new ones or modify the hinges I've got to make them up into a Mark 1. I don't think it would be too hard actually anyway, without the front end on I could put the bonnet on and actually sort of jiggery poker them, but if I've got a pattern to go off, that'd be the best thing. So yeah, that'll do for today. Yeah, don't forget, enter the giveaway. Still got a few more days to go. It finishes Monday, so yeah, it's all free. Just get in and enter it. You might win some vouchers, and it could be useful for you. So yeah, mini spares are on board this time, as well as ABS Motorsport and Silent Coat. So yeah, thank you very much, everyone. See you next time. Have a good evening. Chicken and potatoes. It was an awful meal tonight. Didn't work well at all. Do apologise, everyone. To my family, that is. Bye.